Hey everyone, I got many of comments in my previous video that how I uploaded my first video. So guys, in today's video, I am gonna to be share you how I uploaded my first video on YouTube. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. Hey everyone, I am Mohit Pandey and you are watching Trendy Chat. So guys, as I mentioned previously, in this video, I am going to sharing how I upload my first video. So guys, here is my experience when I started on YouTube. So guys, first of all, the basic thing is that was with me. I had only a simple phone. First of all, that phone I am using now also. That's why I am sharing a thing. Do not think you don't have a camera or a microphone. Even if I am also not using a microphone yet. Yes guys, because I felt very sad when I seen that I had not a microphone, not a camera, but this is not important for making videos guys, because if you will try, then all things will be possible. Because when I started, I will also get little bit scared for starting this channel for you guys, because in starting everyone got nervous and they are also get scared. I am also one of them only, because when I also started, I have a positive attitude that I have to make videos and I have to give a content to my audience. Yes guys, this is the positive attitude I got to know by watching videos, many of videos guys, because when we start anything, we have to take a positive attitude as a base of it. If you will take a positive attitude as a base of it, you can achieve any of thing in your life. Because for implementing or doing anything, there's a base is essential for their rapid growth. So that's why I'm suggesting to you, if your base is strong, your building also gonna to be strong. Because if your base will, you can say, not strong, it will weak, then there's a many of chance, or you can say there are millions of chance for falling down your building. That's why I am suggesting to you, start now onwards. Do not think for your future, because if you will start now, then only your future will also decide you will rank or not, means you will be successful or not. Because if you will hard work, then I am sure you will get success rapidly and you will achieve the success. Because there's nothing to do for getting any success. We do and we got the success. That's the real definition of success. Because when I started, I had a simple phone, and in that I'm really sharing you that phone I also use now also, because you are watching me on that phone only, because I record from that phone also. Because in that phone there's no speaker. I can't able to hear the voice even when I edit my videos, because I can say I can hear the voice with the help of my microphone, means guys headphone. So guys, there are huge problems with me also, but I have a positive attitude that I am recommending to you. Be positive. All the things will get positive if you will think positive, and your vision also gonna to be positive when your attitude will be positive, and your attitude will be positive when you think the positive things only. If you will think only negative, I can't do that, I will get scared for that. So guys, you are never gonna to be achieve the success in any of field, even in your life also. So guys, you are thinking why I started on YouTube only. Guys, first of all, I started on Facebook, because that's a real story. First of all, I started on Facebook, then I am started on YouTube. So guys, here's my journey in front of you, because when I uploaded my first video, I am very get scared. You can even watch my first video also in my channel. I doesn't deleted it, because it is a memory of me how I started on YouTube. Because Your first video is your first memory on YouTube. Do not to forget to learn from that video, because even if I watch that video again, I will also laugh on that, because I am doing silly mistakes on that. So guys, do not to worry. In starting, all do mistakes, but we learn from the mistakes. That's a real important thing. If we learn from mistakes, then it will beneficial for us, because mistakes is necessary in our life for achieving or learning a new thing from our mistakes only. So guys, do not worry, do not get scared. If you want to start in anything, just start now onwards. Because if you start now, your future will also gonna to be built by you in the present only. So guys, here is my experience I am shared to you, and please tell me in the comment below how you like this video, because I will also really get motivated. And what's your opinion with me, and are you starting your channel or anything? So please tell me in the comment below. I will also gonna to know what you are learning new thing, and if you want to share it, then you can tell me on Instagram also. Please like and share this video, and if you are a new viewer with us, please subscribe our channel and press that icon on so you can get the latest notifications of our latest motivational and educational videos. So we will meet in the next video. Stay motivated with us and take steps towards success.